What is artificial intelligence? Open on a world of possibilities. Imagine a future crafted by artificial intelligence. Cut to everyday devices. Your phone, your car, even your fridge, made smarter. Zoom into a computer chip. Artificial intelligence, it's not sci-fi, it's here. A fast montage of AI applications. Revolutionizing healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. Close-up of a human eye reflecting code. It's not replacing us, it's empowering us. Transition to a handshaking with a robotic hand. Bridging the gap between humans and machines.